Okay, hello everyone. Okay, today we are going to solve a case about a Poisson distribution. Yeah, but this one is for the discrete one. Yeah. Okay, so the question is, imagine you are in a USIT and the average student bike has about 0.75 mechanical issue per semester. Okay, yeah, could be punctures, brake problem, chain troubles. Okay, assume this bike's problem follow a Poisson distribution. You're curious, what is the probability that a randomly selected uh, bike at least one problem, experience at least one problem, but not more than two problems in semester. So you can say that this is between one and two, yeah, but not more than two, so two is included. Okay, let's move to one note. Okay, so in here, I've moved the problem in OneNote. Okay, remember, this is the formula for Poisson. Yeah. So in here, they ask us to find the probability for x between 1 and 2 inclusive. Yeah. So the probability of x between 1 and 2, but inclusive, as you can see in this problem is discrete problem, so it could be like you can also write it like this, x equal 1 plus the probability of x equal 2, yeah. Okay, why we can do this? Because this is discrete. Discrete mean involving that the x is only integer, there is no decimal. For example, there is no 1.5 bike in here. There's only one bike or two bikes. Yeah, that's why we can break down this one as like the one on the right, because there is no 1.1, there is no 1.5, there is no decimal. This is only integer. Okay, now first we want to calculate this one first. Okay, for x equal 1 by using this formula. Okay, we will be using calculator now. Okay, so for p, for x equal 1, okay, yeah, we will be using a calculator. So e to the power of minus 0.75, and then times 0.75 to the power of x, where x is 1, per 1 factorial. Okay, we will be using calculator to calculate this. Okay, here's the calculator. Okay, this is the standard calculator, FX82. Okay, and here you need to use e to the power. Yeah. So press shift and e like this. And what's inside in here is that should be minus 0.75. I don't type the 0, however. And then don't forget to press the right button, so it goes to the next operation. We no longer in this area, the power area. Yeah, we go to the right. Okay, and then we multiply it with 0.75. Okay, in here we don't need to power it to the 1, but to show you how the calculator works, I will still do it anyway. So in here I will press this one to the power of 1, and then after that we can divide it with 1 factorial. We don't need to do so because 1 factorial doesn't change anything, but I will still do it anyway, so you'll know how to press the button. Yeah. So 1 and then press shift in here. This is the factorial. So because this is the yellow text, so you need to press shift. Yeah, shift factorial. Okay, now the result would be around 35%. Okay, I'll write it down here. So the result is 0.35 okay, 3542. Okay, we are done with this one. Next, we will be using P for x equal to. Okay, remember the formula is pretty much not that difficult. Is E to the power of the probability, which is minus 0.75. Okay, don't forget that there is a minus in here. Okay, and then you multiply with that probability again to the power of x, which is in here 2. Yeah? And also what's in below is also x factorial, which is 2 factorial. Okay, so we will be using calculator for this. Okay, I'll delete. Okay, again, shift yeah, here ln, because it is e to the power, and then minus 75. Again, don't forget to press the right button like this. Okay, and then you multiply it with okay, 0.75 to the power of 2. Okay, again, press the right button again, and then you divide it with 2 factorial. Okay, I think all good. Okay, now we calculate the result. Okay, so the result is 0. Okay, we will use until 4 decimal. Yeah, so 0.13. Is it 28 or 29? Okay, let's see. Okay, it should be 29. We round it up. Okay, let me delete this one first. Okay, now, so for the answer is, okay, for x 2 plus between 1 and 2 inclusive would be the sum of this one. So the result would be okay. The result would be 0.4 8 7 1. Okay, so you add this, yeah. Okay, I hope this video helped. Thanks for your time. See you again next time.